Hello mga bosses, Bossert, and for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung isang post ng friend ko na about sa isang company ngayon na nagre-recruit or pumapasok sa IT industry right now na nagbi-build ng mga systems sa mga business firms, and they are hiring, mass hiring ng mga devs as well. And I think they are really doing good, but in this post, no, it's very concerning. It's very kasi meron siyang major concern, security concern. Kasi I'm not sure if they accidentally push or the specific dev accidentally push yung credential nila sa repository niya, and let's see the post, no. Okay. So ngayon siguro i-blur ko lang lahat ng credentials dito because I don't want to touch it or anything. I just wanted to have an insight or reaction on this post ng friend ko na si Jeremy. So as you can see here, no, sa post na to, si Chaisev, no, meron ditong repository or file na Docker Compose, which Docker Compose kasi natin nilalagay yung mga secrets or mga credentials ng mga resources or service na ginagamit natin for running the application. Now, dito, yung pinaka major concern nila is I think na-push nila yung credential ng database nila. And hopefully this is not their prod environment. Hopefully this is just dev or staging kasi there's a lot of bad actors out there, no? Na tipong pagka nakita to ng mga bad actors and they try to start accessing yung database na to, we don't know what will happen. It might gonna remove all of the stuff. So as for this, screenshot, as you can see, they were able to access yung database, no? And this is very alarming. So sana and hopefully, no, na ngayon pa lang kung makikita nila tong video na to or nakita man nila yung post ni Jeremy na ngayon lang din, is they start changing or at least mitigate this problem. So, ano yung mga possible problem or solutions na pwede nilang gawin dito? So, the first solutions na kailangan nilang gawin is to change the password. Password ng database. I-change agad nila. Okay? And then next, ano pa next nilang gawin? Kailangan nilang i-private yung repository kung saan na-push yung credential. And then after that, either they remove the repository and then put it back, but without the credential. Kasi kung gagawin nila is magko-commit lang sila ngayon, no, para burahin yung changes, makikita pa rin nyo kasi may history yung Git, no? So, I guess, yeah, I mean, yeah, your information is here. So, hopefully, no, kung makita man nila to, sana, or kung gumawa man ako ng video ngayon, sana hindi na to na-access kasi if ever na kumalat pa to, wala. GG talaga mga bossing. And yun lang, siguro advice, no? Kailangan nila mag-tighten sa security, especially sa pag-handle ng devs. Kasi I know it's hard to handle yung mga napupush ng mga devs and so on nila, but they still, right now, no, dahil meron na nangyari na ganito, kailangan nila mag-strengthen pa ulit or mag-tighten pa ng security nila, especially sa pag-handle ng mga devs, kung anong mga napupush sa repository, especially sa internet, it's available everything, no? Especially if you make your repository publicly, no? We need to be mindful of that. So, I guess that's it mga boss, and yeah, siguro ang lesson dito is be mindful of what we are sharing in the internet because there's a lot of bad actors. We don't know what will happen if they were able to access yung meron tayo. So, yun lang mga bossing, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.